Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bahati and today we'll be doing a little Friendsgiving vlog, right? We're doing a late lunch, I guess. And the food is gonna be catered, but we do want to bring our own dessert. They said something about like who has the best dessert. So originally I was just gonna bring chocolate chip cookies, but I was also debating if I should bring cheesecake, but I was like, I don't know who likes cheesecake, not many people might. And then somebody said they did, but I was like, I don't want to do that no more. I don't know. They were like saying something about a competition, and I was like, oh, okay. And then they were like, oh, if we're gonna do a competition, like you should make the dessert, right? Like it would be cheating if you bought it. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll make something. I went to the store yesterday, and I wanted to make some chocolate chip cookies, and they didn't have that. So then I was like, okay, I saw cake mix. I was like, I can make like tres leche cake. But then they didn't have the leche. So I'm just gonna do a snickerdoodle cookie. On the box, it says that we only need 1 egg, butter or margarine, right? Room temp. So I'm gonna take the butter out, I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna preheat the oven. Okay, y'all, so the cookies are done, the dishes are washed. Now all I gotta do is change my clothing, make my bed, and then we can head out.
Very good.
So 4 left. 4 left. Okay, y'all. So I'm back from the Friendsgiving, and it was nice. Oh my gosh, I'm sore. I'm sore. Anyways, yeah, it was nice. We had a good time. Had a good time. The food was better than I expected. There was a lot of leftovers, and I hope that they are going to like give that out to people that are just passing by and homeless people or something, because that's what we're planning on doing. And then storing some like cookies for us for later on. But yeah, it was nice. We played word association. I brought it up. I was like, let's play word association. There was a person doing push-ups. It was interesting. We just had a nice little sit down, talk, conversate, you know, chill time. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in my next videos, see you in my next vlogs. That's it. Yeah. Oh, let me know how your Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving holidays are going, or went, you know.